For centuries, the Amazon rainforest was believed to be an untouched wilderness. A place too hostile for advanced civilizations. But what if we told you this was a myth? Recent discoveries are proving that the Amazon was once home to vast, sophisticated civilizations hidden beneath the dense canopy for centuries. In the 1500s, European explorers ventured deep into the Amazon, chasing the legendary golden city of El Dorado. They returned disappointed, believing the tales to be mere fantasy. But what if these stories were based on real civilizations, now lost to time? For years, dense vegetation kept the Amazon's secrets hidden. But with modern LiDAR scanning technology, researchers have uncovered massive city-like structures, roads, and canals buried beneath the rainforest. These findings suggest that millions of people once lived here, in organized societies far more advanced than previously thought. One of the biggest surprises? The discovery of massive geoglyphs, huge geometric patterns carved into the land, only visible from above. These structures raise new questions about their purpose. Were they ceremonial sites, messages to the gods, or something else? Even more fascinating is the Amazon's black soil or terra preta. Unlike the naturally poor rainforest soil, this human-made soil remains fertile for centuries, hinting at advanced agricultural techniques lost to time. If the Amazon hosted such advanced societies, why did they disappear? Some theories suggest that European diseases wiped them out. Others point to climate change, wars, or mass migrations. What we do know is that nature reclaimed their cities, hiding them beneath the trees until now. These discoveries are just the beginning. New expeditions are revealing more lost structures every year. Could there be more ancient cities waiting to be found? What other secrets does the Amazon hold? History is being rewritten before our eyes. The Amazon is not just a rainforest, it's a hidden library of forgotten civilizations. And the story is far from over.